target for Rajabal team. 69 over shot line. Start his first over, first ball, first legal ball. This time he punished onto the leg side. What a maximum hit. It's out of the park. What a sensational hit. And fans love it. Oh wow, what a shot. That's a serious connection on very first ball. And it gone off. Now the second delivery is coming. This time, and that will be taken. Caught behind. Oh my goodness. What a drama continued there. First ball, first maximum. And the second ball, wicket is come. Oh my goodness, you can see Raja Bhatt can na bhai na. Not. You cannot hit again and again sixes. You should go to pavilion. Check the signals of Raja Bhatt. He is just laughing at the batsman to go to the sleep and go to the pavilion. Wow, what a drama. First ball, first wicket. Drama is continued there. First ball, first maximum. And then on just second delivery, Raja Bhatt bowler has scored the wicket. And these you can see all the spectators that are watching this drama. Wow, what a wicket on just second delivery. And you can see no even a space of little man to stand there. Of his 69 jersey number bowler. This time good shot. And field is present there. Single run added to the red total. That's a good comeback after a big hit. When the first delivery will come, it gone all the way. We are seeming that that's a very good batsman. But fourth delivery is loading. This time straight down the ground. Field is present over there. Single run further added to the scoreboard. Good comeback after a wicket. You can see it. Raja Bhatt is present over there. He is again bowler Starship Rao. This time he punished on the leg side. The ball is traveling there. It is in there. Fielder over there. Catch is dropped. Oh my goodness. Another chance for the fielder. Last delivery is coming. This time the ball is looking too offside from the off stump. And a very good comeback after that. This time slow one punished away onto the leg side. And catch! Oh my goodness! Another wicket! Another breakthrough for the Faisalabad Falcons. First over completed with the loss of 2 wickets. And you can just celebrate the Raja Bhatt on there. Raja Bhatt and their teammates enjoying as they have got second wicket. He might hit a 6 on a mid-side and fielder is present over there. He takes the sensational and easy catch there. Wow, what a drama continued there. First 2 important wickets have come on very first over. Just Russian lefty. His start is run up. This time. Eight number jersey Russian lefty is wearing. This time that's looking a good delivery. Low fall toss there. Fumble on there and 2 runs. Starship run up with a delight in order to score the wicket. This time, no proper connection and no further run when adding from Russian lefty. This time, very good goal there. Wow, what a good land there. Once again, Russian lefty start his run up. Another good ball, same connection and same line and length. No communication between the bat and ball. And families are enjoying in Jinnah Stadium, Gujranwala. This time the catch. 6 runs are not coming and that's a quick delivery. But that's a no ball there. The last delivery of the second over and is for his first over. Another good ball and this time no chance for the third man. It gone for 4. No matter where the ball goes on. Rush lefty once again start his run up for his last delivery. This time the ball is in the air. It should be taken. No, it has. 2 catches dropped. Not good for fielding from Lahore Lions. Just a match between Falcons and Lahore Lions. This time, third over and first delivery, and the ball is in the air. It should be taken, and catch is taken. Oh my goodness, another breakthrough there. Third wicket is gone, and bowler is looking very delighted. He is celebrating his style with Rajat Bhatt, and Rajat Bhatt is clapping with his teammates. What a celebration style there. Third wicket has lost on just 21 runs. You can see replay. The batsman hit onto the leg side, but the ball was not enough to cover the fence, and fielder was present over there. He takes very easy but a difficult catch of high left. Bowler once again, start his run up. This time the ball is very far from the wickets, and umpire will not satisfy with this delivery. He said that's a white ball. Mode. Once again, bowler start his run up. This time, not good bowling start from this bowler for good Lahore Lions against Faisalabad Falcons. Two consecutive wides over there. Waiting for a boundary. This time he hit on the target, hit on the body. But you can not get runs in the form of leg by ground. This time, good ball, Yorker length. But still he got 1 run. Will face the 4th delivery of this over. This time proper correction, and it will surely gone out of the park. What a sensational hit from this batsman. Maximum after a lot of time. This is the thing you need more Faisalabad Falcons in order to score your team. They are on 30 runs. 5th delivery is loading. Now the ball is very far from the wicket, and umpire is not satisfied with that delivery. He will surely separate his hand. That's a white ball. No matter what is your age, all the fans are enjoying this event, and that's a very good ball. The batsman could not. Last delivery of this over. He start his run up with a delight and full energy. He plays on the cover side, and fielder is present over there. 1 run further added to the scoreboard of Faisalabad Falcons. 3 overs completed. Faisalabad Falcons 32 runs with the loss of 3 wickets. For his team, starts his run up. This time he punished onto the leg side, and no chance for the fielder over there. 4 runs further added to the scoreboard of Faisalabad Falcons. This fielder. Change of length, change of result from Rashid lefty. That's a good use of variations by Rashid left. No communication between the bat and ball. Dot ball. Looking very long. This time no still communication between the bat and ball, and other dot ball. Pressure is gradually increasing on the Faisalabad Falcons. Lefty once again for the 5th delivery. This time he punished, but not proper. But he still got 2 runs. Effort for the 3rd run, and it will also get fastest running between the wickets like a cheetah. 3 runs further added to the scoreboard. This time he punished. The ball is high in the air. It will cover the fence or not. No. That was very difficult catch because the ball has got very long flight in the air. 4 overs completed. 41 runs on the board with the loss of 3 wickets. That's a very Wonderful competition there. Raja Bhatt will deliver his first ball. This time he punished onto the leg side, no matter who his bowler is there, because Faisalabad Falcons are batsmen over there. First ball, first maximum. Now the Haris has arrived to the Raja Bhatt. Brother, what are you doing? Gujarat Lions captain, Lahore Lions captain Raja Bhatt. This time he punished into the leg side, no chance for the fielder. 4 runs further added to the scoreboard of Faisalabad Falcons. No respect from Faisalabad Falcons batsman towards the captain of Lahore Lions, Raja Bhatt. 99 jersey number he is with. For delivery will come from Raja Bhatt and step out and stump. Yes! Oh my goodness! Revenge has been taken of 6. He is cheering. He is looking very happy. And his teammates also come and they are cheering. Just look at that. Raja Bhatt, he is enjoying. His teammates are also enjoying. They have also get wicket of 4th. And he is showing the snake sign to the Mandogar. He is just saying, no baby, it's not easy to hit 6. That's a replay. The ball slightly turns into the wickets and the fielder keeper was there and he stumped out the batsman who was hitting the 6 to the Raja Bhatt. Look at that, what a celebration from Raja Bhatt. Raja Bhatt deliver his last over, last delivery. This time he punished onto the cover side. The ball covered the fence with the valve of 1 bounce. 1 bounce for 4 runs further added to the scoreboard. 5 over goals, 55 runs. Haris start his setup. First ball and first maximum. It's out of the park. Ooh. That's a very close decision because yes, it has. It will cover the fence beautifully. The situation has no mercy from the batting side. And the second ball turned away to the wicket. Is the Mandogar there. Tough competition between the Mandogar and this time stump out. Now the Mandogar also lost his wicket. He is just standing to go to the pavilion. And look at that. The friendship between the Mandogar and Raja Bhatt. He is laughing at the Mandogar. You will have to reach to the pavilion and look at that. Raja Bhatt, he is looking very delighted. His teammates are clapping to each other. Now the Atif Chanu will join his company.
चले जी पहला ओवर पहला गेंद इस बॉल पर उठाया कैच इज कॉल और पॉइंट की जानिब खेला है बॉल जा रहा है बाउंड्री की जानिब अच्छी फील्डिंग यहाँ पर जब तक फील्ड करेंगे यकीनन 3 रन बनाने में कामयाब बॉलर अपने बॉलिंग शान से दौड़े आए बॉल किया जबरदस्त बॉल ब्लॉक हॉल में पड़ा बॉल और एहतजाज कर रहे हैं कि लेग बाई है लेकिन 1 रन का मजीद इजाफा होगा यहाँ पर बॉलर एक बार फिर से दौड़े आए इस बार लो फुल टॉस इसको ग्राउंड शॉट के खिलाफ फील्डर तैनात हैं मजीद 1 रन का मजीद इजाफा होगा यहाँ पर बने अभी तक अच्छी बॉलिंग जारी है। इस बार खूबसूरत अंदाज के साथ खेला है और ये बॉल बिल्कुल जाएगा डीप मिड विकेट की जानिब 6 रन के लिए। एक बुलंद वाला छक्का। ये पहला दंड बॉल, 4 गेंदे 10 रन बन चुके। इस बार ऊंचा खेला इन द स्काई, कैच कॉल और ये कैच पकड़ लिया गया है। छक्का के बाद का खूबसूरत वापसी की है, बड़ा विकेट यहां पर हासिल किया है और मान डोगर यहां पर लास्ट बॉल करेंगे अपने ओवर का और ये इस बार ऑफ टर्म से बाहर है। वाइड बॉल का इशारा अंपायर की तरफ से।
65 रन दरकार। इस बार उड़ाकर खेल दिया मिड विकेट एरिया पर, बड़ा खूबसूरत फिजाई हमला, रन आएंगे यहां पे 6। बुलंद बाला छक्का रसी। इस बार फिर से शॉट लगाया है, 2 इन अ रो, दूसरा बुलंद बाला छक्का। इस बार खूबसूरत अंदाज के साथ फिर से यहां पे बड़े खूबसूरत अंदाज के साथ सीधे बॉल के साथ स्पोर्ट प्रो की टीम शुक्रिया। और यहां पर ले फिर से बॉल बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर जाती हुई मिड विकेट एरिया पर शाकीन क्रिकेट में जाके गिरी है। चौथा बुलंद, इस बार फुल टॉस डिलीवरी थी, फुल लाइन डिलीवरी करना चाहते थे। ग्राउंड शॉट, एक स्कोर का इजाफा होगा, यूं स्कोर का मजमुआ का टारगेट। इस ओवर का आखिरी बॉल, शॉट लगाया है लेकिन दूरी नहीं तय कर पाएंगे और विकेट कीपर ने बड़ा आसान कैच यहां पे पकड़ा। यूं दूसरी विकेट का नुकसान हुआ।
चले जी, इस बार खूबसूरत शॉट खेला, फील्ड तैनात हैं, मिड विकेट की जानिब खेला था और 1 रन का मजीद इजाफा होगा यहाँ भी। अगला गेंद और इस बार बेहतरीन बॉल है, डॉट करने में कामयाब रहे। जबरदस्त यहाँ पर बॉल देखने को जी। नेक्स्ट बॉल, बॉल एक बार पेट से रवाना हुए आए, इस बार पेट से शॉट खेला और रन्स। नेक्स्ट बॉल, शॉट, ओह माय गॉडनेस, आज की नाइट का ये सबसे लंबा छक्का डीप मिड विकेट की जानिब, एक बुलंद वाला छक्का। 30 रन बाकी हैं। इस बार फिर से फुल टॉस गेंद को चार्ज किया और ये बॉल बिल्कुल चला जाएगा मिड विकेट की जानिब, खूबसूरत छक्का। एक और यहाँ पर चौका देखने को मिला है।
पता है की हो रहा,
नेक्स्ट
नहीं हो
बॉल,
रहा। शॉट चल गया,
खूबसूरत अंदाज के साथ खेला है,
रन मिलेंगे
और ये
4।
बॉल बिल्कुल जाएगा
चार
बॉल
रन
से
मिलेंगे, चार
बाहर।
रन
लॉन्ग
मिलेंगे।
ऑफ,
छक्का को होना चाहिए। ओए ऐ की तई छक्का हो गया। आय हाय हाय
जी, कोई फील्ड
कायदे
नहीं
आजम
दे।
की पावर ही बहुत है भाई।
एक इस बार डाउन द लेग साइड है, वाइड बॉल का इशारा अंपायर की तरफ से और
चलो यार चलो,
7 रन बाकी हैं।
सिग्मा मोटर दिख सकती है किसी टाइम भी, सो इसलिए हाय 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 रजब भट्ट साहब, हेलो, गुड बाय।
मान डोगर बामुकाबला हैदर शाह, हवा में खेला है ये शॉट, लेकिन कैच यहां पे ड्रॉप हुआ है और यहां पर 4 रन भी आएंगे ओवर थ्रो की सूरत में। और यूं इख्तिताम पजीर हुआ, रजब भट्ट की टीम यहां पे मान को तंग करती हुई यहां पे मुकाबला अपने नाम किया है। रजब भट्ट ने मान डोगर को गिरा लिया गया है और ये बड़ा मुकाबला जीता है।
ये बड़ा मैच अपने नाम करने में कामयाब रही है रजब भट्ट की टीम। यूं SC1 का दूसरा मुकाबला अपने नाम किया। अब अगले मुकाबले में आपको मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर के बाद।